Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study History UPSC Easy Guide. Start by mapping the syllabus and breaking it into weekly topics you can revise consistently. Focus on themes and connections instead of memorizing isolated facts, and build timelines to track cause and effect. Combine source reading, note-making, and answer writing practice for balanced preparation. Keep a steady pace, test often, and adjust methods based on your progress daily. Organize notes to make revision faster and clearer, with headings, bullets, and concise summaries for each topic. Make timelines and mind maps to visualize links between events and themes across regions. Keep a tidy source list and key historian notes to strengthen argument depth in answers. Practice converting notes into 10-minute oral recaps and short answers to check recall. Aim for clarity and repetition rather than piling up unread pages. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more study hacks. On another note, here's a quick recommendation. I really enjoy the book The Simple Path to Wealth because it offers clear, calming financial sense that pairs well with long exam prep. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Begin each answer by quickly outlining your thesis, main points, and supporting evidence for a clear roadmap. Use specific examples and references from primary and secondary sources to back claims and show depth. Practice timed writing to build speed and examine model answers to learn structure and style. Prioritize clarity, direct language, and balanced arguments over flowery prose, and review mistakes to avoid repeating them in future tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.